Snowshine
and Cheese Wheel
proudly presents Donkey Kong Jr. Again. Wait, you were supposed to... Damn it!
Whoops! Well, let's see. If I can't beat the game entirely on this try, then we'll do 2-player.
Alright. We finally have 2 controllers to work with, so... Also, we had a data ponder in our sweat. Alright, I forgot the stopwatch. Enough of this monkey business. Also, I noticed in Donkey Kong that that our lives were in the beginning. It was like, what does the L mean? It's just Luigi somewhere over there being Luigi or something?
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that's 1 life down. No, I'm not rooting against you. It's just... What are you wearing? That's what I'm wondering. Just wait for the platform, wait for the... Why is this level so hard?
Yeah, how come you die if you fall like 1 meter? Well, to 2-player it is.
Alright. Remember, you gotta press the minus button when you're on the main menu. I want to give us the fun music. Oh no! Oh. That... Wow.
It's incredibly close.
Yes. I wonder though, will I look different as a 2nd player in this game? I actually don't know that. Don't die, don't mess up. Kill him! Kill Mario! Also, in the last episode, I asked the important question. Like, is there any other game where Mario is, like, the main antagonist? And I gotta ask, is there a game where Mario is not the main antagonist? I mean, the main villain, specifically. Like, every game he's, like, running around, murdering innocent wildlife. Yes! Don't do it! Jared!
I didn't mean to do that! You stupid...
Alright, my turn.
I hope you die. In the game, of course.
Why are you so mean to me?
Because you said I was a little baby.
Ah!
I wish...
I thought I would just fall into the other... Oh. Well, you got your wish. Are you happy now?
I guess so. In a cosmic sort of way, yes.
Why are there so many boards?
Oh, shoot. Oh, I made it.
So many boards. Climb! Climb faster! We've gotten this far! We've never gotten this far before. Yes! Don't fall. Don't mess up. Oh, oh no! You messed up!
I can see that!
Okay, my turn. No. Oh. Okay. Ah! Okay. Speedrun tactics! Can I? Nope. Okay. Burp him do! I love how my eyes just kind of like whenever I die. You have one life left. Don't waste it. Billy, don't be a hero. Don't be a fool with your life. You're gonna die. Okay. Oh! Oh no!
What?
Game over.
That's ridiculous.
Alright. Now for my last life. There, yes. Oh man. I love how that should have definitely killed me based on how far you fell, but it didn't kill me. Maybe the spring gives me immortality. But I'm not willing to... No! Why?
Why this elaborate setup just to kill a baby monkey?
Because Mario's a dick. Alright, start.
Let's try this again.
Do I look sexy, Donkey Kong? Man, I think Mario took offense to all that shit that Donkey Kong put him through in the Mario movie. Oh! Actually, come to think of it, oh yeah, I think I said this last time, but Donkey Kong Jr. is actually like who people mostly call him Donkey Kong. The Donkey Kong right there is actually Cranky Kong. No wonder he's so cranky when Mario's doing this shit to him. That was not speedrunning tactics. You are pathetic. Now to get past this frickin' level.
Yeah.
I don't know who would find this entertaining. Most people who would watch someone play this game would probably only watch it for like the for like a speedrunner or something. Don't mess up. Okay. Keep in mind, like you can climb faster with both on two vines. Okay. Yes! Yes! We're finally gonna do it! Oh! Oh no!
Oh man!
Monkey. Monkey! Wait, no. Boyd! Stupid Boyd! Haha! Take that, you son of a...
Son of a monkey's uncle.
Yeah. That works. Speedrunning tactics! Oh! Yes! Oh. Do you think Mario kills you the same way Donkey Kong does if you go up too close to him?
Perhaps.
I don't know if I want to test that, though. Oh!
Mario just straight up whips you once.
Yeah, he probably just, like, takes it... Oh, he's a baby Donkey Kong. I could probably just, you know, grab him and rip him straight in half. Is there ever a game where you actually get to play as Cranky Kong? Oh!
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Okay! Okay, I'm doing it.
Alright, now go down. Hey, alternate.
Yes! Oh, wait! There's a vine! I'm in a chain or whatever. Yes!
Finally.
Oh, this is a new music.
Pac-Man?
I don't know what this is, but it looks terrifying. Oh. Oh no! Okay. Okay. I'm not failing this time. Oh no! Whoa! Oh. Okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. I can beat this. No! 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 Ah! Okay, is it just 3 levels like in the first game? Okay, no. Oh no, I remember this. Okay. No. Bud! Okay. I love how we're just freaking out. It's just
Wait,
very...
you could do both at one time.
Oh, right. That's true. Monkey, they're not very smart, but they are strong. Mario, why are you taking
both at one time?
I'm sorry. Don't worry, I'm sure it'll let you have a turn after I beat this game. Yes, jerk off that chain. It's not like you're a baby or something. Okay. Oh, yes! And then Donkey Kong dies. And so does Donkey Kong Jr. And Mario dies. Alright, your turn. Oh, oh, wait, no, this is my turn again. I get an extra life.
Just perish, please.
What? Why would you ask that on me? Okay, fine. Why do I die when I get my hand bitten off? Probably shock. That would make sense.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Probably not, but we'll see.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to beat the frickin' game.
It's okay. I know it was just an accident.
No! You almost saved yourself! You almost saved yourself! Alright, can I beat the game again?
No.
Hey, we're recording here! Oh wow,
Tell him that. He'll only become more obnoxious.
Oh, that's true. I just touched testicles with my hands as a baby monkey. Oh, the L is probably for like how many times can you like beat this game? Probably just the one time. I'm wondering if it just goes forever on or whatever. What happens if you touch that chain thingy? Probably nothing good. Maybe with my last life I'll try to see what happens. Actually, come to think of it, you likely wouldn't be able to without dying from fall damage alone.
So there's a pause between...
Yeah. Right there. And... Yes! You win! Ah! Ah! You did it! That's a good boy! You're a good boy.
Thank you. Oh, shoot.
Don't mess up. We've come so far. We did not come this far to die. Hello there.
No!
You're doing fine! You're doing fine! No!
Please.
Alright, I beat the game. That's enough. Right? We can move on to Mario Brothers?
Yes! Let's please. It's bound to be easier than this.
Alright. Oh, wait! I have another life! No, don't do this to me! That's fine, actually. Never mind.
Oh, it just pauses it.
Okay. Alright, might as well get my testicle. Oh, or my hand. Never mind. Alright. See you guys in the next thing of this. Signing out.
Yeah, goodbye.
Snowshine.
Y'all have a nice day. Or
Snowshine.
And me.
Barrel. Are you barrel or cheese wheel?
I don't know. Just call me Barrel. That's
Barrel wheel. Cheese. Emerald. Cheese emerald. It's Chesmeralde.
just leave already, viewers. I don't want to see you anymore. You're just...